I'm telling y'all, the stuff they put on TV to entertain us. That was funny. Retribution was rough. Lord, when she went by that church, and she saw them up at the altar, and he was dressed up like they were gonna get married. How you get married if you married to him? What you thinking? Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be having some broccoli and cheese with some grilled chicken. And it's good too. Yes it is. And I have me some good old, what is it? Strawberry cheesecake Greek yogurt. Y'all see them little pieces in there? Like white chocolate. They would look like to me. And I added a banana. Yeah, look at it. Don't it look good? Don't it look good? You know it look good. Go try you some. And I got me some good old water. You know something? I don't know what it is, but the more water I drink, the more water I want. Water, I'm getting a little sip before I do anything. No, pray first. Pray, girl, if you forget. Amen. Let me get some water first. Oh, it's good. Woo, it's good. Ain't nothing like it. Sometimes I can search all over. I can't find nothing like it. Like water. They ain't what they were talking about, though. You know what I'm talking about, Lord. Woo. Where do I start? Come on, you better be good today. You better not be acting up in here today like you ain't good. Okay. Whoa, let's stir it up. Let's stir it up. Look at the smoke. Look at, you know, it started to smoke when you stir it up. But while you talking and eating, well, I ain't gonna say slow, but eating, it gets started getting cool down real fast. I'm gonna have to start eating on a hot plate. Look at this, y'all. I'm gonna give y'all a bite. This ain't gonna fall. This broccoli better not fall. You stay up on that fork so I can get it. The subscribers a taste. Y'all get y'all a taste of broccoli. Oh, it stayed on there. I like grilled chicken. Something like that, like grilled chicken. I'm a chicken addict. I want some turkey wings. I know it's getting almost time for on Thanksgiving, but I want some turkey wings. You know why? I don't look at it as it's getting close to Thanksgiving. Because y'all know, let me tell y'all something. Come here, let me tell you something. Come here. Come here, let me tell you something. Come here. I can eat turkey. I ain't lying, y'all. I can eat turkey 7 days a week. That's the truth. Ain't nothing but the truth. I can eat turkey wings. I can cut up the turkey breast and eat some. which ain't my favorite, but I can eat some. I can eat. It reminds me of something. I'm tell y'all that thing. Oh, it made me laugh. I'm tell y'all that thing saying there. I can eat ground turkey. I love this right here, broccoli. And that make me some turkey burgers on the side. Y'all know something, I'm making quesadilla burgers. But sometimes I just make them pure turkey burgers with ketchup. Almost like a meatloaf. It just don't, I just cook on top of stoves that are in the oven. But I laughed when I said I can eat both any kind of turkey. Cause y'all know I told y'all about Norbit. For those that don't know, or you may not went back and looked at seen the video, Norbit is a picture that I don't care what I'm doing. I be laying down, and if I feel a little restless, and I want to go to sleep. Y'all think I'm telling a lie? I'm telling God heaven too. Ask my mystery daughter. I can put Norbit on, and I do not make it through the whole picture. I be asleep. I don't know why it is. It always put me to sleep. Always. I don't know why. I don't know why. But getting back to Norbit. Y'all remember when Norbit went to eat with them? West Bruce was her mean self. Or mix man be her boyfriend. Or mix man be her boyfriend. Really? Really, West Bruce? I have fell asleep on it and woke up. It's at the end. I fell asleep on it. Woke up in the middle. I fell asleep on it and woke up and it was gone off. I'm serious. But anyway, when they were eating, he went to eat with them, and their brother was putting that turkey, each person got a piece of turkey. And they gave Norbit what was left. Y'all know he called the turkey, you know what. But y'all know what it was. I laughed when I was talking about turkey because at the end of my man, I ain't never seen no turkey part that look like that. No. It look like the butt part. I ain't lying, y'all. If it do look like that, off the whole turkey, I must couldn't identify it. I must couldn't identify it. It's like a real butt. It literally look like a real butt. I think they just was joking. I think they was just joking. I made that turkey butt look like that. Oh, Norbit grabbed that butt. He was grinning. He was scared of them though. Oh, he was scared of them. He was scared of them brothers. West Bruce was a mean old woman. I'm trying to get that little dog. Don't make no sense. Norbit. You can't leave me, Norbit. I'm a child. You a child, West Bruce. Sometimes you gotta get with your soul about it. But you know she didn't care. Cause later on, when they were out at the carnival, and Norbit called that girl fat that was on that pony too. I just thought about it. I know your pain. Cause he had tears about, I know your pain. He was calling that girl fat. Cause West Bruce was fat. Norbit, I just thought about that. Really, Norbit? Norbit, you should shame yourself. Go on over there, Norbit. Get her a cooler or some stuff. Miss Bishop, you can't drink. You a child. I ain't a child. Miss Bishop. Oh, that was gas. Twins, man. Lord have mercy. I'm telling y'all, the stuff they put on TV to entertain us. That was funny. Miss Bishop was rough. Lord, when she went by that church, and she saw them up at the altar, and he was dressed up like they were gonna get married. How you get married if you married to him? What she was thinking? They gonna get married because you're married to him. Really, Miss Bishop? Lord, she wrecked the car. She stopped in front of that church. And she passed out. You know, she up in bed with her fitness instructor and doing some of everything. I'm worrying about Norfolk with that little girl, that woman. That was her first love anyway. Miss Bishop put him under arrest and made him go with her. They're about to kill that girl. She was a bully, right? Lord have mercy, I tell you. There's some crazy TV stuff. I tell you. Well, they had said we were going to do some rain a couple days ago. But we are getting that rain today. That means that rain was coming down. This is so good. Lord, y'all, I can express it enough. I'm gonna make me I made a broccoli casserole. And my son would make another one. I ain't want to make another one because it was a lot of work in it. But it's good, though. It is really good. This it is. I just love some broccoli. I'm telling y'all, I love broccoli. I love broccoli. I ain't joking. I wish I could eat it every day. I love it. Broccoli about the only thing in turkey that I could just eat. I'm telling y'all, it's just, I enjoy it when I eat it too. I think about it, day when I'm gonna eat it again. That's how much I love it. I've seen the concept of ASMR now. We're gonna mukbang him. He said the same thing. He don't think he could do him. He was just acting while he had his after he ate his food with his cup. He said he must have he didn't say it, but he must have whispered. Yeah, real low. I'm gonna try it, y'all. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna get the right meal so I can make enough noise. I'm gonna try it. Right now, I don't know what it's gonna be yet. Lord, please, y'all don't tell me, because you drink water every day with the ice in it. Make sure you crunch on the ice. That ice in that ice cube. That ice not hurt my teeth. It ain't crushed ice. I can get crushed ice, I guess. Ooh, let me start eating some more chicken. Lord, I'm cutting the broccoli and got all the chicken left. That is so good. I started cooking some chicken wings. But I think that man might have them tomorrow. Might. Depending on how I feel. If I feel like cooking much. Well, I cook every day. Like I told you, I cook all my meals. Because I don't go outside the house and eat. But if I leave out the house, I don't care if I have a doctor's appointment. I don't care if I go get my medicine pickup. I don't care if I go get a cotton run. I don't care what I go outside the house to do. I don't eat, no drink in the car while I'm out. I got gloves and stuff on. And mask. I put gloves and mask on, just go to Walgreens and get my medicine and don't even get out the car. I do that until I get back home. Yep, never can be too careful. And then I wipe down everything with sanitizer wipes, and everything when I get home with it. If I use my card, I wipe that down. Yeah, I do it. I do it. I do that good. Of course, she ain't trying to get no cash. She don't want no cash in her pocketbook. No. It is German. It's German, but I don't know matter what is German. Money is German. It's good to have. And it's nice to get some so you can get what you need. But it's German. I didn't go out and eat all that. Number one, I was hungry. Number two, I had my mouth set forward because I already planned it in the back of my mind. But don't eat outside the house. Sometimes I take a bottle of water because I get thirsty. I don't even open and drink it. Nope. Do all my cooking at home. I know a lot of people still eating outside the house, but it's fine. It's up to them. But I don't. Bad enough. Got so much stuff to deal with. I know about something I can see pray over it. You ain't gotta work on nothing. Let me tell you something. I prayed over my food every time I ate it. And won't go outside the house to eat it. I prayed, Lord, watch over us and protect us. He did. Yeah. And still managed. My husband contracted it. We all got it. So, we're not immune from sickness. But God still be with us. And I'm grateful. Then I turn this up. Look, y'all, I ate all the gum. All of it is gone. Well, not gonna talk about Huntsville today. Love marriage to Huntsville. Cause I'm telling you, I went on Instagram day before yesterday. And oh my, no, yesterday. No, nobody no posted, but Leticia and her husband went live. Want to get something straight. So I want to talk about that now. But I am gonna tell y'all this. Gonna get something straight about the hoax. Who's telling the truth or what stuff? I ain't listened to everything. Said it kept on acting up. It kept on Facebook Live or some stuff that was on. Excuse me. I ain't looked at it. I just looked a little bit. But those people said we can understand that. If y'all said that would happen, that what y'all said happened with them. But you need to do something with your mama, Letitia. You need to do something with your mama. She's out of control. She actually hear that. She start, and I had to go in there and start replying back to comments. When they got on her mama, she made about one, I didn't see but one, I think. One reply. It might have been two, I ain't see one. I'm not faking. She got off that real fast. Oh, it's so good. She don't want to talk about her mama. They say the same thing I said in my video. She just saying what you want to say. You just ain't got enough nerve to say it. They let her have it. They let her have it. Told she need to grow up. Be a woman. Wow. But it's true, y'all. It's true. I don't get excited today like I did yesterday. I don't get excited. I'm trying not to. I'm trying to say it low. I'm trying to say it loud. But it don't make no sense. It really don't make no sense. How Letitia can't see. She can see everybody's faults. Except hers and her mama. She can't see it. You know they always say people can't see their faults. But I will tell you about Dora. They can go there and lie about your faults. But you start talking about their faults. They go crazy. But it's gonna come a day that she ain't gonna be able to do nothing but see it and acknowledge it. It's gonna come a day. Y'all see how nice I'm saying there? But how calm I'm saying it? I ain't getting excited today. I think talking about yesterday struck a nerve when I was growing up. I got carried away. But I feel much better today. I could talk about it a little better today. Yeah. But I ain't gonna say that's just TV, y'all. That's real life. Real life. I really do hate to see people make dummies of themselves. I really do. I hate to see people make dummies of themselves. You know? You'll never hear me or nobody that in my midst or on this YouTube station, channel, tell y'all what I know my husband ain't gonna do. I know my husband. Oh, I'm supposed to be. I'm supposed to get excited today. I know what my husband ain't gonna do. I know what my husband don't do. No, I ain't saying that. You know why? Cause I can't answer for nobody but B-A-R-A. I don't know, but the only person I know what they're doing is me. I'm the only one I know what's doing every day, 24/7. That's what I said. I know what she's doing. I be with her every day, all day. Every day, all day. 24/7, 365 days in a year. And she the only one I can answer for. Yep. Yes, indeed. I ain't gonna be answering for nobody else and for myself. This is good. I almost scraped the bowl, y'all. Some people don't like to hear that. And I ain't trying to get on nobody's nerve. I don't want nobody to go. If you made it this far in this video, I want you to tell me what I know what I said it was. But I want you to tell me what you think it is. Now I know strawberry cheesecake, Greek yogurt. Can y'all see them? Can you see them? What do you think these are? What look like to you? Can you see it? I hope y'all can see it. I know what it tastes like. I dropped it. That's a one less mouthful I can get. Man. Oh. It's good though. Yes, it is good. They say it's good for you. I remember I want to eat Greek yogurt. That was good. I want to scrape around that bowl so bad and get all I can out here. But I don't want it sweet. You know, we're little children. We used to lick the bowl. Some people probably still do lick it. I ain't gonna do that now. I try to get all I can out of it. I ain't going there licking no bowl now. And that's what I used to do when I was a child growing up. Especially them cakes. Y'all remember when your mom made a cake and you couldn't wait till she finished pulling that cake right out that pan, out that bowl. Excuse me. And you was able to get that bowl and them beetles and that spoon and you went there licking. With that licking. Licking till don't have no other siblings. Everybody want the bowl. I had two. I want the bowl. I want the bowl too. So we had to share the bowl. Ooh. And can you everybody put the finger. Oh. Y'all go ahead. Y'all gonna have it. So then we did a little thing. And we ain't forget either. You get the bowl this time. I get the bowl next time. Or three of them. And somehow when that kitchen next time came, and when Dirk turned to get that bowl, I'm sorry, you are luck. You are luck. Okay, get you that bro. I got that bowl from you. You know, mom got she could throw it in the sink anyway and rinse it out. It'd be wasted. But they said we ain't supposed to lick because it had raw eggs inside the cake mix. There ain't no truth in that. People drink raw eggs. People drink it. Well, I'm still here. I done licked up many of them. Oh, Lord. Let me... I done licked up many of them bowls, them cake bowls, and I'm still here. So ain't ever did them eggs, ain't did nothing to me. More than but a trace in the way. By the time they get finished getting everything out the bowl, it was good. I ain't gonna let my grandkids lick none though. Wait till the cake get made, darling. I ain't gonna let them lick them bowls like that. I don't know if it's true or not. We got back. Anyway, let me let y'all get ready to go. It's been a good day. Sitting here and I enjoyed that food. That food was good. Man, oh man, oh man. I wish I had just a little bit more. But I ain't gonna worry about that. I'm still a little hungry. I know y'all say, oh, I ate a plate full of broccoli. And I could eat some more broccoli. If y'all enjoyed this video, don't y'all forget, ask what you think on the end of that spoon, what it look like. Comment down below you ain't got that far. And tell me what you think it was. I know what it tastes like. But anyway, comment, like, and share this video. And I will surely appreciate it. Subscribe also, please. Until next time, I will talk to you all later.